Well, I got to get some sleep in, so I'm calmed down a bit. I guess I just can't handle things mentally as well as others. And that's why I get frustrated sometimes. I don't like the fact of spending a lot of money and things being worse than they were in the beginning. I mean, take it for a test drive. Just take it for a test drive. Why not? Make sure everything's okay. I don't think that's asking too much. Anyway, they're on their way here now to look at this. They're coming here. So I'll let you all know how it goes. I might best not to let things bother me, but this is my electrical for turning off the battery power to the engine or to the house. This was not like that. If it was like that, it would have been ruined by rain. I'm not going to let it bother me. Just plastic, I'll fix it. I did figure out the levelers, and I wish I would have showed it to you guys while I did it, but I didn't know I'd be able to figure it out. I'm not taking it back apart because these screws, there's 4 of them. They're like 1.5 inches long, and they're not very coarse threaded. It's plastic. I just don't want to strip the holes off from taking them out and putting them in all the time. And what it is right below here, there are 3 springs. Those springs connect to the circuit board and make contact, which turns the light board on. Well, those contacts were really dirty, so it wasn't their fault at all. It was just, you know, being 20 some years old, and you know, things get dirty. So I cleaned the contacts and they work perfect now. I got the levelers down. It's great. They did come. They raised the front wheel up. They had to go get some tools. It's spinning okay though. It's not locked up or anything. They came back and made some adjustments, thinking that maybe the wheel was the I don't. You have to forgive me. I don't know parts very well on these. Something might have been too tight against the axle seal, and they loosened a little bit. Because it's Friday, they're not going to be open on a weekend, so I'm not going to bother testing it until Sunday. So I'll test it Sunday. If it's good, it's good. If not, then I can take it back up to them Monday, or they can come back to here Monday. They said it might need a caliper. I looked them up online. The calipers really aren't that expensive. Anyway, it's just a short, quick one here. I want to wrap it up. I just want everybody to know I'm in better mood now. Sorry about me getting so frustrated and all that. I'm in a better mood that the levelers are working and that they're willing to help me out with these brakes, and I will be back on the road. So, y'all have a great weekend. And no, yesterday wasn't Friday. Today is. I know. I realize that. Sorry. I'll catch y'all later.